Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove image background in PowerPoint. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to remove image background in PowerPoint. Just open the PowerPoint. After that, click Insert and then Pictures. After that, select where you want to insert the picture from. For example, this device and stock image or online pictures. Okay, this device and then desktop. Okay, this the picture. Double click. And then when you click to the picture, you see here remove background. Just click remove background. And then here mark areas to keep and mark areas to remove. Okay, but now it's done, it looks fine. Okay, but I think here this is the gold. I need to remove, then go mark areas to remove. Just click on it. And then just cover this area. Okay, and then yeah, it's done. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to remove image background in PowerPoint. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.